892, you're following the Cessna about to turn left base, your number 3.
Stay.
Freeway 892, number 3, following traffic on left base for RMA 6.
Hi, Sissy. Hyper. Hyper. Hyper, where are you? Hyper. Sissy, no. In the back. Get back. Back. No. Stay. All right. All right. Max starter engaged. Oil pressure. Fuel pump is off. Mixtures lean for taxi. Lights as required. Master on.
Phoenix 272, left traffic.
Left traffic with Phoenix 272.
Temperature 26, dew point 19er, altimeter.
Alright. Wait. 80. Good. 0. Well, actually, I do have a passenger back there. 0. 50. Enter. Cargo's 20. Sink my fuel on board. Here we go. 2330. We're good. Enter. Alright, trip planning. Oh, good. 2. Lights. Not set up. Alright, attached. Let's see. Devices. Trip planning in a second. Utilities, timers going. GPS status, GPS 2 is good. Frame. 15, enter. Frame is available. System setup. And that all the same. All my LRUs look good. Enunciation test, that all looks good. GPS status, all 3 is on. Connection status. iPhone. Enabled. Enter. Enter. It's not. Databases should all look good. They are. Connection setup. Bluetooth. Stream. Should be Bluetooth. Oh, that's because it's not in yet. It's not all the way in. Message. Off. Fuel on board. Go. Good planning. These. Here we go. Now we're connected. Cord. Close. Confirm. Enter. Now we're good. Database is all we're good. Map. Change. Okay. Battery is armed. Consider any enunciations. We've got none. Got my radio, so I got ground.
Advise on initial contact.
I got tower. St. Augustine Tower. Okay, fan, I'm going.
38,000.
Transponders sat to 1200. Taxi area clear. Blake's released. Okay.
Five Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, cloud scattered 8,000. Temperature 26, dew point 19er, altimeter 2996. Visual approach, runway 6 in use. Use caution, bird and wildlife activity all quadrants. Advise on initial contact, you have information X-ray. Flagler Executive Airport, ATIS information X-ray 1550 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, cloud scattered 8,000. Temperature 26, dew point 19er, altimeter 2996. Visual approach, runway 6 in use. Use caution, bird and wildlife activity all quadrants. Advise on initial contact, you have information X-ray. Flagler Executive Airport, ATIS information X-ray 1550.
Alright. Girls look good. We're recording. Alright. Before taxi, radios are set, transponders set, taxi area is clear. Don't see anybody. Brakes released. Rolling. Brake works. That works. We're steering. It all looks good. All my instruments are in the green. Air conditioner's working good.
Good morning, Flagler Ground, Archer 624 Charlie Juliet. Over in front of the new hangars, holding short of Gulf with X-ray, ready to taxi to the run-up for runway 6 for an east departure.
Archer 624 Charlie Juliet, Flagler Ground, runway 6, taxi via Golf, Echo, cross runway 11.
Gulf Echo 1, cross 11 to runway 6, Archer 624 Charlie Juliet. Thanks.
Gulf Echo, cross 11. Alright. Gulf Echo. Up the hill. Gulf. Down here to Echo. I don't see anybody. Going up the hill. Echo.
Ground Jet Chair 799 is at the FBO with X-ray ready to taxi.
Jet Chair 799, Flagler Ground, runway 6, taxi via Alpha 1 Golf, Delta Echo, cross runway 11.
There's Echo.
Runway 6, Alpha 1, Golf, Delta, Echo, cross runway 11, Jet Chair 799.
The lights are on.
Archer 4 Charlie Juliet, do you plan a run-up?
I do, thank you.
Roger, make sure to pull off pretty clear into that run-up area. I have a citation departing. They'll be passing you.
I'll pull clear, Archer 4 Charlie Juliet.
Alright, so I'll have, lights are off. I will have wake turbulence. So I'm going to have to take off before he does. Land after, take off before. Looks good. Why is that guy in the grass? Comes the citation. Coming. Dogs are doing good. Some kind of turtle poop on the taxiway. A little bit of a wind coming from my right. There's the citation. All right, brake is set. Park and brake is set. Mixture's going rich. Throttle to 2,000. Left mag. Down 160, back up. Right mag. That's good, back up. All looks good. Alternate air is working. Back up, everything looks good. All my instruments are in the green. Get an idle. Looks pretty good. We're gonna get back up. Out there. Lean for taxi. Mixture mag test within 50. Bolts look good, normal. Alternate air, idle check was good. Enunciations, I don't have any. My radios are set, my autopilot. Autopilot. Heading. Nose down. That's working. Heading. Nose up. That's working. There goes the citation. Disconnect. Autopilot. Trim disconnects. Autopilot. Autopilot switch test disconnects. Light director is off. Trim. Neutral. Takes both buttons to work. Autopilot. My instruments are set. One last check. 2996. 2996. What? 2,500 feet. 2,500 feet. Now what? My first course. Head up to the beach. I want to go east. Okay. Flight instruments, transponders 1200. Flight controls. Up, that one's down. Working. It all works. Light controls, electric trim, rotors, flaps are set, lights as required, takeoff briefing. Okay, Clark. The unlikely event that anything abnormal and we're still on the ground, we're just throttling back. If we're in the air and we still got runway out there, we're just going to land out in front. If we get 200 or 300 feet, we're just going to have to find something soft, I hate to tell you. We're going to try to shut everything off as we can. Try to get that door cracked. If we get 800 or 900 feet, we got 95 out there, and we may consider turning back. We've got a lot of room out here on the airport property. All right, takeoff briefing. All right, we're good. Put this here. All this is good. Brakes released.
Flag the ground, Archer 624 Charlie Juliet, finished my run up, ready to taxi to 6.
Archer 4 Charlie Juliet, runway 6, taxi via Echo.
Echo to runway 6, Archer 4 Charlie Juliet.
All right, girls. Gonna go flying. Y'all are doing good so far. All instruments are in the green. Got 2 out there on final. Whew.
Dog 1-3 Foxtrot, contact ground.
Dog 1-3 Foxtrot, contact ground.
Flago Tower, Archer 624 Charlie Juliet, holding short of 6 at Echo, ready for departure.
Archer 624 Charlie Juliet, Flag Tower, hold short runway 6.
Hold short runway 6, Archer 4 Charlie Juliet.
Alright. Takeoff. Fuel pump is on. I'm on the richest tank, on the fullest tank. Lights is required. Engine gauges are all in the green. Mixture's not rich yet. Seat belts, door latched.
Flago Tower, Phoenix 287, holding short of runway 6 at hotel, ready for the pattern, and we're going to request a short delay.
Phoenix 287, hold short runway 6, you're number 2.
Hold short number 6 at one number 2, Blue Phoenix 287.
Phoenix 256, left traffic.
That's traffic, Blue Phoenix 256.
Seat belts, doors latched. Takeoff, fuel pump, everything's on. Lights, gauges. Mixture's not rich. AC, seat belts, doors latched.
Archer 4 Charlie Juliet, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 6, Archer 624 Charlie Juliet.
Alright. Mixture's rich. Here we go. Change out.
Flago Tower, 892, requesting multiple short approaches.
You never have too much runway.
Open 2 miles left traffic.
Route 892, open 2 miles left traffic.
Line up. Alright, here we go, girls. Looking for 2300.
287, short delay approved, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
There's 2300. Airspeed's alive.
Runway 6 at hotel.
Right rudder. There's my wind trying to pick up. Come on. There's 60. Pitch for the horizon. And we're off, girls.
Archer 4 Charlie Juliet, right turn to the east, leaving the Delta fin change approved.
Right turn to the east and leaving the Delta frequency change approved, Archer 4 Charlie Juliet. See you shortly.
Phoenix 256, runway 6, clear for the option.
For the option for runway 6, Blue Phoenix 256.
Alright. 200 feet. Rudder. Everything looks good. Sissy's looking out the window. There's 700.
Phoenix 287, follow the Cessna heading to your left.
Follow the Cessna to the left, Blue Phoenix 287.
There he is. Alright, we got 1,000 feet. My fuel pump's going off. We're going to 86. 1,500 feet. The girls are doing good. Hey. Message. Good.
Tower 92, midfield, left downwind, runway 6.
LA 92, runway 6, clear for the option, short approach approved.
92, number 6, clear for the, runway 6, clear for the option, short approach approved. Blue Phoenix 256 going on.
Phoenix 256, roger, go around, upwind a mile and a half, left traffic.
Roger, upwind a mile and a half and then left traffic, Blue Phoenix 256.
Phoenix 256, follow Cessna off your left.
200 feet.
The Cessna Alpha left to Blue Phoenix 256.
Don't see anybody. Level. Let my airspeed build.
Tower Phoenix 287, we'll left midfield down with runway 6.
287, runway 6, clear for the option number 2, follow Cessna left base.
Runway 6 clear for the option, we're number 2, Blue Phoenix 287.
2350. Watch your altitude. There's Matanzas right there. Watch your altitude. Kind of hazy. Pretty day though. Alright, all my instruments look in the green. Watch your altitude. Let's lean this back. Restart. I'm going to leave it on the full tank right now. Watch your altitude. Watch your altitude.
LA 92, up on 2 miles, left traffic for short approach.
AC feels good.
2 mile, left traffic, short approach. Upwind, 2 miles, ability, 92.
Phoenix 256, runway 6, clear for the option.
Phoenix 256, runway 6, clear for the option.